Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 200. The rate of premium depends on the morale of the risk. In the matter of motor car insurance, there are considerations of damage by fire and damage to tires. And in all cases, the registered number of the car must be given. Then there is indemnity for accidents in connection with lifts, cranes, and hoists, in which the situation of the cranes and the situation of the lifts are of much importance. Personal accident insurance may be covered by an ordinary accident policy or a combined accident and disease policy. Fire insurance covers damages to premises by fire, and among other precautions, automatic sprinklers are insisted upon where there are other than incombustible materials. Life insurance is often associated with a medical examination, and policies are declared void, and the responsibility of the company ceases if material facts are hidden by the insured. Full stop.